Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project carpooling system, and I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. So the for Python, I am using the Python version 3.7, Django version is 2, and MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting Django Python with MySQL, I have used MySQL Django connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Even you can install it through pip. Right. So this is a server-side technologies and database, and the framework which currently I'm using for developing this project. For front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for developing this project. Also, this is a bootstrap enabled theme. Means if you open this UI in any of the devices, then UI will not be distorted, right? Because it's a responsive theme. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project carpooling system. Let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented inside this project, what are the functionalities available in this project. Right. So the project title is carpooling system, and it's a major project developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. It's a web-based project. Right. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, and this is bootstrap theme, right? And it's a static. There is nothing dynamic on this page. This is about, and this is also a static home page, static page. If you want to change the current content, then you can change it in templates about.html. This is book your car. You can search your car from location, right? I am searching for Noida, Gurgaon, and start date is 15 and end date is 19. Once you click on the search car, then all of the car which belongs to that route, right? This is a carpooling system, means all of the cars which belongs to that route will be displayed here. So you can see the owner name is Kaushal Kishore, contact number, Swift Desire, company Swift, price per day 1170, type XV. Once you click on the book the car, then it will be restricted because without login you will not be able to book the car. Right. So this is all cars. Once you click on the all cars, then you can see which cars is operational on your way. So this is Noida Delhi, this is Delhi Noida, Noida Gurgaon, right? Once you click on the book this car, then you need to enter the details here. Means you need to log in. Without login, you will not be able to book the car. This is a registration. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you will be able to register from this page. This is a login page from where you will be able to log in and you can perform certain operations. Means you can book the car, you can add your own car. This is a contact us page, and this is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. This is a real-time Google map, and this will work only and only if you have internet connection running on your laptop. Right. So now I am going to log in. So customer and test. So this is the customer and test login. Here you can see the dashboard. Here you can add the car. You can post your car for pulling, right? Car number, name, from location to location, car type, company name, each and everything you can fill here, right? So this is the dashboard. Add car. This is book my ride. From here you can book your own. Means if you don't want to post any car, then you can book. You can book for pulling, right? So Noida, Gurgaon, start date is 15, end date is 30. Search car, right? This car belongs to that route. Once you click on the book the car, here you need to enter the full name. Kaushal, contact number this one, email kaushal@gmail.com, password, pickup date this one, drop off date this one, pickup address test, test. Once you click on book my car, your booking will be accepted. So you can see this is the booking, right? Now you can see my bookings too, right? There are 3 bookings we have made. If you want to see the details, then you will be able to see the details of that bookings, right? See this, and this is the my account from where you will be able to update your account details, right? So this is the my account sections, right? And then change password from where you will be able to update your account password. This all dashboard menu are available here in the my administration section also. Means add my cars report, my customer bookings, right? And this is a customer bookings. It means which customer have booked your car. You will be able to see the details, right? So there are 2 bookings, customer bookings and my bookings. This belongs to this bookings belongs to the customer who has booked your car, and my bookings means which car you have booked, right? So this is your booking. From here you can change. In the cars report, my cars report, you can edit the cars also. You can edit and update the cars also here, right? You can upload the cars image and update it. This is my account. I already explained it. This is a change password and a logout. Once you click on the logout, then above administration menu will not be displayed. You can see above administration menu is not displaying, but if you log in, then above administration menu will be displayed. So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project carpooling system. And as I told you earlier, this project I have developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. And this is a major project, major web-based DBMS project. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.